What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Better Biomed. Folks, I wanted to give you guys an update. I've been working my rear end off on improvements to bmedwork.com, and I have had an amazing amount of support. Thank you all. I appreciate you. But I want to highlight some of the things that have been going on. We got some good stuff. So this is the website as it sits. I've got my jobs listed right here on the main page. You can come up here and you can find W-2 jobs or gigs, 1099 jobs. Currently, I've got W-2s. I got two of them, and I've got one 1099 gig out of Houston. And I've talked with many other companies who are interested. They just haven't gotten on here and created a profile yet. If you want to submit a job, just come in here and click on Employer Portal, and then go down. There's Employer Registration. And then once you do that, as you're registered as an employer, then you can post a job and you can view the talent that's in the talent pool. How cool. All right, and when it comes to the talent pool, I've got a lot of technicians that are already signed up for W-2 and for 1099 gigs. Lots of talent in there. Guys, the site is free. At the moment, it's free because I've already paid the server costs and everything. So eventually, the server cost is going to catch up to me because, more people, more users equal more costs, right? But let me highlight one of the other things that I have been really working on hard, okay? Over here, under my profile, you can sign up as a candidate, and then you can edit your resume. Now, this I worked all weekend on, folks. So the resume writer, when you pop into it, it takes to a custom GPT that I wrote. And this GPT right here, you can create a resume from scratch. You can upload your existing resume and it will look it over and it will make suggestions and it will alter it. And then the third one is, let's say you want to qualify for a job. So if you want to qualify for a job, you highlight the URL for the job description. So if there's a job application someplace that you're interested in, then I want you to go and highlight that URL, copy it, and then go ahead and paste it into this section right here. I want to qualify for a job. And then it will ask you to upload your resume, and it's going to compare the job versus your resume. And it's going to tell you the likelihood that you're going to qualify for that position. And it's going to make suggestions for you in order to make you qualify, or in future to make you qualify for that position. Very cool stuff, guys. I've been working on a lot of this stuff. So guys, bmetwork.com. It's free. Go in and create your user profile. If you're talent, you want to register, you want to make that money as a 1099, or if you're a company looking for talent, I have a lot. I'm talking 60, 70 technicians already signed up in there that are looking for either W-2 jobs or 1099 jobs. Go check it out. Let's help these guys find some new work.